Social media, Turkey's first unmanned aerial vehicle in the assault class, Raiders documentary prepared for talks. Offensive Unmanned Aerial Vehicle (TIHA) with AKINCI Selçuk Bayraktar, the technical director of BAYKAR, who was the son-in-law of President Erdogan and developed the aircraft, was also on the agenda. More than 200,000 posts were made with the tag hashtag #AKINCIBELGESELİ. Turkey Raiders of the unmanned aerial vehicle developed one of the first 3 countries in the world and says it will do in this class. It is aimed that the offensive İHA AKINCI will meet in the first quarter of 2019. The assault radar system, which can go up to 40,000 feet altitude, can stay in the air for 24 hours and its useful load carrying capacity reaches up to 1,350 kilograms. With these features, some of our warplanes can perform tasks. It will be able to serve with much more advanced useful loads such as electronic support pod, satellite communication systems, air-air radars, obstacle detection radar, and synthetic aperture radar. Electronic systems carried by AKINCI will be systems developed nationally. AKINCI is a system that can carry these systems together, has air attack power and can be quickly engaged to the target. It will reduce the burden of our warplanes and perform their missions, aerial bombardment. AKINCI UAV, which we can equip with air-air missiles developed in our country, will also be used in air-air missions. AKINCI will become the most advanced technological system in the world within 3 years in its class. Can serve with different domestic ammunition. Developed by BAYKAR, AKINCI will incorporate the most advanced products and capabilities of domestic companies operating in a number of fields in the defense industry such as electronic systems, radars, smart ammunition, turbine engines. The platform will have 4.5-ton takeoff weight and 20-meter wingspan. AKINCI, which will serve with a double turbine motor drive, will be able to carry 900 kilograms of external and 450 kilograms of internal useful loads. The platform can be controlled via national satellites. AKINCI will have equipment such as National Line of Sight and Satellite Communication System, National Electronic Support Pod, National AESA, Multipurpose Weather Radar, Synthetic Aperture Radar, Meteorology Radar. AKINCI will be able to serve with various ammunition configurations, especially domestic ammunition. Ammunition such as vehicle, MAM-L, MAM-C, Javelin, LUMTAS, Bozok, Mk81, Mk82, Mk83, Poultry Guidance Kit KGK, Mk82, Gokdoğan, Bozdoğan, SAM-A can be equipped with missiles and bombs. AKINCI can carry 2 UPS Mk82, 2 TEBER-82 and 2 MAM-L at the same time. The studies to strengthen Turkey's armed and unarmed UAV fleet continues. Among them, the most remarkable high-altitude long-air (HALE) class AKINCI Offensive UAV project. Within the scope of AKINCI UAV project, a UAV, which can carry 5 tons of weight, 900 kilograms of payload and 450 kilograms of internal payload, is launched. AKINCI, which will be produced with completely local facilities, will be able to carry more effective missiles and smart bombs. AKINCI Offensive UAV Technical Specifications. Airborne, 24 hours altitude, 40,000 feet useful load, 1.350 kilograms, 900 kilograms external, 450 kilograms internal, takeoff weight, 4.5 tons wingspan, 20 mount motor, 2 times 900 HP turboprop data network, LOS, SATCOM radar, Milli AESA, weather, SAR, electronic warfare, electronic support pod weapons, MAM-L, MAM-C, Javelin, LUMTAS, UMTAS, Bozok, Mk81, Mk82, Mk83, Precision Guidance Kit HGK, Winged Guidance Kit KGK, Mk82, TEBER-82, Gokdoğan Missile, Bozdoğan Missile, SAM-A, AKINCI capabilities, Electronic Warfare SAR Discovery Signal Intelligence EO/IR Discovery Wide Area Surveillance. It will fly with artificial intelligence, transfer images even in bad weather. The aircraft, which will carry critical loads such as EO/IR camera, AESA radar, beyond line of sight, satellite communication and electronic support systems, will also have advanced artificial intelligence features. It will be able to collect information by recording the data it receives from sensors and cameras on the aircraft through 6 artificial intelligence computers it will contain. This artificial intelligence system, which will be able to detect the angle of tilting, standing and heading of the aircraft without the need for any external sensor or global positioning system (GPS), will also provide environmental awareness using geographical information. The advanced artificial intelligence system will have the ability to make decisions by processing the data it obtains. This artificial intelligence system, which can detect land targets that cannot be detected by the human eye, will enable the vehicle to be used more effectively. With its synthetic aperture radar, AKINCI will be able to transmit images to the user even in bad weather conditions where electro-optical systems have difficulty in taking images.